Duck, duck, moose.
We are the Dust Funnies, learning our 1, 2, 3s, building our town from what we found. So if you're around, then come on down. The mayor is Moose, his shop makes juice. Sass talks very quickly. Mochi and Moko make a mess, and Puck likes to act silly. But if they work together, what will happen next? They'll build their town right from the ground, and they'll be a success. Funnies, learning our 1, 2, 3s.
Choose an item for your city. Bye-bye.
Tap on.
Hi there, I'm Moose. Welcome to Moose Juice, where the drinks help you think and the juice is served by a moose.
Hi, my name is Yaya. I am always here to help. Drag ingredients from the fridge into the blender, and don't forget to follow the recipe. Now let's make a sassy orange. Put 1 piece of orange into the blender. That looks delicious. Choose a cup. Press the cup to drink, or tap the recipe book to make another drink.
Gulp. Gulp.
Yummy!
Gulp.
Delicious!
Gulp.
Excuse me.
Gulp. Gulp.
Let's make a pucky pear. Yummy! Choose a cup.
Yummy! Delicious! Excuse me. Yummy!
Now let's make a moosey mango. Delicious! Choose a cup.
Gulp.
Delicious!
Gulp.
Excuse me.
Gulp. Gulp.
Yummy!
Gulp.
Delicious!
Gulp.
You are a moose mixer extraordinaire.
Choose an